Thikksani Ronti, Tukdi. This very tasty snack is very commonly made in Konkani households during festival times and as a tea time snack too. We have already posted the sweet version, Thikksani Ronti or Sakara Tukdi, giving the recipe in the description below. So for the spicy version, take 2 cups of maida in a bowl. You may also use wheat flour. Add salt to taste. Now add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. This is to add color. Also add 1 teaspoon of spicy chili powder. Add more or less as per your spice levels. You may add 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds, or 1 teaspoon of ajwain, or add half teaspoon of each. Now add 2 tablespoons of hot oil to the flour. Mix well immediately with a spoon. I have added sesame oil. You may add any other oil too. Now when the flour has cooled, sift it well with your hands, mixing well to form a uniform crumbly mixture.
सर्वांके केकेचे चॅनलांतून स्वागत. आता मी शे व्हिडिओज चड केल्यानंतर इंग्लिशांतूय आमगेले कोंकणी भाशेंतूय तिखसाणीचे, मिठसाणीचे, गोडसाणीचे, रंदेई, अडगई हे सगळं व्हिडिओज तुम्ही एक व्ह्यू करका आणि सर्वांके पामचे म्हणटा शेअर करका. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Sprinkle a little water and knead the dough. Add water little by little to make a soft dough. Here I have used about 3/4 of a cup of water. See that the dough is not sticky. Now cover and let it rest for an hour. After it has rested, knead again a little. And make small balls of the dough. Now to roll out chapatis. Make them as thin as possible. Dust on both sides with the flour so that it will not stick to the board. Now to use a cutter or knife to cut the chapati vertically into thin strips of about 2 centimeters apart. Now starting from this point, cut slightly slanted. Keep cutting like this till the other end. Now you can see the lovely diamond shapes that we have got. Lift them up and transfer to a plate. You need not worry that they will stick. To make the rolling easier, I use this large sturdy plate to roll out the dough so that I can make larger chapatis and the cutting will be easier and quicker. Usually I roll out 2 chapatis, cut and fry them and then roll out the next batch. Dusting this way and rolling out again will ensure it is very thin and does not stick to the board so that you can easily lift them up. Now the rontis are ready to be deep fried. Heat sufficient oil in a kadai. I am using coconut oil. See that the oil is hot enough for the ronti to rise up immediately. Now carefully drop a portion to fry. Reduce immediately from high flame to low as the hot oil tends to froth up and may overflow. Keep tossing the rontis in the oil so that they do not stick to each other and also lightly press down so that the rontis puff up well. When it has turned crisp and changed colors lightly, drain out from the oil. Continue again with the next set of cut ones. The rontis at this stage will not have a bright color just now. The color is regained when they have cooled down. Do store in an airtight container. Enjoy your crisp and spicy rontis with a cup of hot coffee or tea